some momentum, right?
Oh, wow, look at you! Haha.
It's good to push with your feet, then put them on the pedals after. Like just push with your feet first. Yeah, push with your foot, push with your foot. Okay, push underneath. Put your foot down. No, don't put on the pedals. Put one foot down. Push, push, push your foot. There.
Wow.
Whoa. Okay, let's try. Keep
Good job, Ethan.
Right. Now.
Woohoo! Look at him go fast. Woo! Nice. Yeah, you are.
Watch where you're going.
Haha.
Okay, but you gotta stop a little longer, right? Because you're going pretty fast, right? You gotta press the brakes a little longer. Okay, before you put your foot down.
Oh, he's braking?
Perfect, yeah.
Nice. Wow, good job.
Right. Okay, so you push with one of your foot. You put one foot on the pedal. Yeah, put your car like that too. Here, put one foot down. Hold on, put it here. One foot down. That one there, push down on that pedal. Now what do you do? Hold on, no, I'm not gonna hold it like
Whoa. Good stuff.
there, you got momentum, go.
Yeah. Right in the flowers.
Did you hurt the flower?
It's a good place to crash. Nice
Perfect.
braking technique.
Good job. Okay, so now hold on. That foot on the ground, that foot there, and then you push down on that pedal. That's right. Okay, let's practice again. Now, hold on. Put the other foot down on the ground, and that one, and then you push hard.
Good, Ethan. He's so fast.
Right on. Now you gotta learn how to do circles. You wanna learn how to do circles? Here you go. So that's how you get your balance. Right? Turn the wheel. Lean a little bit this way. No, this way. This way. Busy. How about you? Okay.
Nice stop.
Bravo.